Ooh, the master of my steel. Ooh, I was broken from a young age, shaking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Through the worms of the world, all the hate that you heard last time you